So good day everyone. Let us solve this problem 1 to 10. So first, number 1, we have z is equal to 2. Sana nga form. Form is z is x plus jy, where x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 0. So to find the magnitude, we have r is equal to 2 squared plus 0 squared square root. Then we will have r is equal to square root of 2. Then square root of, okay, sayop, no? Mali. That is square root of 4. Let's write this as 4. Then we will have r is equal to 2. And for the angle is equal to arctan y over x. And that is arctan 0 over 2. That is equal to 0 degrees. No? Since the complex number is in quadrant 1. So we will have the polar form of 2, z is equal to 2, is equal to z is equal r, the magnitude of 2, and the angle of 0 degrees. Okay, for number 2, we have z is equal to negative 10. Z is equal to negative 10. That is in the form of z is equal to negative negative 10. Oh no, wrong. That is negative x plus jy. Where is to solve to convert that into its polar form. Okay, to convert that into its polar form, that is z is equal to r angle theta or phi, where r is equal to x squared plus y squared, square root of that stuff. For x now is equal to 10 and y is equal to 0. So r is 10 squared plus 0 squared, no? R is equal to 100. Square root of 100, then r is equal to 10. Now, for theta or phi or the angle, what is the formula? Since the complex or the rectangular form is in this quadrant 2. So our formula would be tan or arctan y over x plus 180 degrees. Then we will have the angle as tan negative 1 0 over x plus 180 degrees. And we know this stuff would be equal to 0. Therefore, the angle is equal to 180 degrees. Now, the final answer would be equal to z is equal to the magnitude of 10 and angle of 180 degrees. Make sure your calculator is in degrees. Okay, let's have for number 3. Number 3 is negative 3i. So we have the z is equal to negative 3i. Or let us make it as that make the imaginary unit as j. So we have the negative j3. What is that form? That form is equal to z is equal to x minus jy. Okay, so r is equal to, you know the formula, x squared plus y squared, square root, no? Square root. So r is equal to x, that is 0, plus y is 3 squared. Then we will have r is equal to square root of 9, and r is equal to 3. Then for the angle, since that is positive, we have a positive x and a negative y that is in quadrant. Oh no, since the x is in positive, so here, and we have negative y, so we have here in quadrant 4. Okay, we have quadrant 4, so we use the negative tan, negative arctan, okay, negative arctan y over x. Okay, we have this negative arctan y is equal to 3 over 0. So we have angle is equal to 0. Or no, we have negative 0, sorry, but we have arctan negative 1. 3 over 0 is what? Define, or that is infinite. What is negative tan? Negative arctan of infinite. So that is equal to what? Guess. Unsa ang negative or the arctan of negative, the negative arctan of an infinite number. What is that? That is 90 degrees. Okay. So let us move on. Sorry, that is negative 90 degrees. Okay, so polar form of that is equal to, we have magnitude of 3 and angle of negative 90 degrees. Okay, let us move on for number 4. Number 4 is 6i. Okay, 6i. Z is equal to 6i. Or let us make it as J6. Pangit ba? Is J6. Okay, first let us identify, first step, identify the x and y. X is 0 and y is equal to 6. What is that form? It is the form of z is equal to x plus jy. That is in the first quadrant. Therefore, r is equal to x squared. That is x squared plus y squared, right? And then r is equal to x is 0, then y is 6 squared. No? R is equal to square root of 36. Then r is equal to 6. Then the angle, since that is in the first quadrant, we can use this formula. Okay, y over x. And then theta is equal to, that is the arctan of, that is not theta, that is phi. Or the angle is equal to 6 over 0. And that is infinite, right? Infinity. tan negative 1 is that is infinity, because if you input that in the calculator, it will give you math error or syntax error. I don't know. Is 90 degrees. Okay, so that is equal to, our z is equal to 6 and angle 90 degrees. Okay.